couple of months ago, I built a strategy optimizer and put it out on the QuantCrawler platform. Now, there have been a lot of questions surrounding it and how does it work, but essentially, John, one of our main admins in our Discord, went through and made a full walkthrough video of exactly how this strategy optimizer works. And this here is that video. So, if you've never used one before, this will walk you through finding certain parameters, getting everything set up, and then letting it run, and how you can use AI to help you find a range to test. Now, there's a couple of things to note here with the strategy optimizer. Some people like them, some people don't. Some say curve fitting, some people don't. It doesn't really matter. This video here is specifically showing you how, if you have a strategy and you want to try and find the best parameters without clicking one by one, and it helps your mental while you're trading, this is for you. Whether it's something you want to base your trading on is completely up to you because it's your trading style. So, without further ado, this video here is exactly how you use the QuantCrawler Strategy Optimizer, which is a Google Chrome extension, and it's available to any QuantCrawler member, and you can try it free for 30 days as well.
All right, I'm going to go over how to use the QC Strategy Optimizer. This is in the Chrome Web Store, available as an extension. If you have an active QuantCrawler membership, you will be able to use this. So let's jump over to TradingView and show you how to use it. All right, so we're on TradingView now. You can see MNQ 5-minute chart. We're doing the last 30 days. We're going to increase what we have here. We're going to make this look better, how we want it to look. We're going to be using the Bulletproof Strategy by QuantCrawler. This is available to lifetime members. Lifetime is currently available until May 1st. Then it's going away again. So we have the Strategy Optimizer open here. The Google extension icon is up here. Click Scan Chart. This will work on any strategy that you have in TradingView. We scan the chart. It says that we have the Bulletproof Strategy here. Click Optimize. It's going to open the settings for your strategy, run through every single perimeter, and then it's going to output it here for you to optimize. You want to have a base already for your strategy. So I'm going to set up my base. I want 3 contracts. I want time filter on, but I want it to start at Asia session till 5 a.m. And then the perimeters that we're going to actually optimize for is going to be, we're going to leave this stop loss mode on ATR, but we're going to optimize the ATR multiple. We're going to have only one TP level. So let's make sure our TP1 exit contracts, since we're running 3, we're going to exit all 3 at TP1. We're going to optimize for the RSI filter and the ADX filter. So find these options in here. ADX minimum, because you can see here, ADX minimum is what we want to optimize for. TP1 risk reward ratio, RSI overbought and oversold, and then stop ATR multiple. And then we are gonna hit continue. So I'll take a screenshot, and then we're gonna use ChatGPT to help us out with ranges here. I need ranges to optimize these settings. Paste the screenshot in there. So we're gonna do ADX minimum, start 15 in 35. Steps of 2. RSI overbought 60 to 75. Steps of 1. Oversold 25 to 40. Steps of 1. ATR multiple 0.8 to 2. And steps of 0.1. TP1 risk reward ratio, start at 1 and end at 3. Steps of 0.25. Hit continue. You can see here it gives us 304,000 combinations. Will take a very long time. Consider switching to deep crawl mode. So you have grid search and you have deep crawl. Grid search tests every single combination. It's best for 2 to 3 perimeters with tight ranges. If we use this, it's going to take us 422 hours for all 304,000 combinations. If you use deep crawl, max evaluations 90 of 304,000. You can change around the population size and the generations. This is going to take 7 minutes, 30 seconds. So let's run the back test here. Read the prompt. Click yes, run optimization. Switch back over here, and we will come back when this is complete. All right, results are in. So we have a sort by filter here. We have the percentage of P&L, drawdown, percentage of win, and then profit factor. So you can click apply. It'll apply all of these settings. You have all of these to go through. You don't have to go through all of them. The one on the very top, if you sort by P&L, the very top one is going to be the best P&L. Same thing, drawdown. Very top one is going to be the lowest drawdown. Percentage of win, very top is going to be the highest percentage. And then profit factor, highest one is on top. So let's start with profit factor. We'll click apply. Automatically applies the settings. Then you click update report. You can see we already have something that's profitable. This is the last 30 days. We have 7 trades. 85% are profitable. Drawdown is 549. P&L 2600. Let's go to percentage of wins. You can see here it's red for profit factor. That means that this is a 100% win rate. Hit apply. Update report. We have a P&L of 3,000. Max equity drawdown 255, 8 trades, 100% win rate last 30 days. Then you click on drawdown. That's going to be the same. Yeah, that's the same. You can drop down to the second option, see what that one has. Update report. So P&L drops, but it has a low drawdown. Then you have the P&L. Let's click on the top one here, see what this one looks like. Update report. And then this would be probably the one you want to go with. You're wanting to pass a eval here. Last 30 days, 58% win rate. Max equity drawdown, 838. And then you got the 3600 P&L. Now you have a pretty good base for your strategy. You could actually immediately take this and then connect it up to Ghost and run this if you wanted to. Or you can continue optimizing. So open up the settings here. Some things you want to look at. You can look at the time filter. So let's just see what happens if I disable the time filter. Hit OK. Update report. That's even better. So if you let this run with no time filter, your P&L is drastically higher. You do increase with your drawdown, but this is manageable. 27 trades in the last 30 days, 51% profitable trades. And then let's just look at the trades here. So you start out kind of in the hot seat, but you start gaining back. Some of these wins are pretty big. Yeah, this is up to you. However you want to run this, you can use the time filter or not. Let's see if we don't use the time filter. Let's enable session close exit. So that does change it just slightly. Yeah, this is up to you. However you want to run it. It's a pretty good base. And then you can mess around with your contracts and then mess around with your TP. You can enable another TP. You can enable how to like offload your contracts, however many on TP1, TP2. Full control for you. But yeah, this is a pretty quick, basic, beginner-friendly overview on how to use the QC Strategy Optimizer. Thanks for watching.